everyone. I hope you're having a great week. Oh my goodness, it has been a week. Earlier in the week, I woke up to frantic emails from a client whose website had been hacked. Oh, it's the worst. Really, it makes my stomach sink. Can you imagine how she must have felt? As small business owners, we spend so much time building our websites. There's so much that goes into a really great website. There's the time spent on fantastic copywriting, excellent branding, our opt-ins, and really having a streamlined design that works really well on desktop and mobile. But one thing that I have noticed is a lot of website owners forget that once you have the website, that's great, but it really has to be maintained on a regular basis. Because with all things, websites break down. They could get hit with a virus, plugins could go out of date and cause errors, or like my client, you get hacked. Whatever the reason, your website going down or not functioning properly can really do major damage to your online brand, especially if you don't notice it immediately. Thankfully, she noticed hers very quickly and we were able to get it back up and running very fast. But I've had clients before that, I might work with, off and on projects, and they'll come to me in a panic because they happen to pop into their website and notice that it had been down. For how long? They don't know how long. So there is a simple solution though, monthly website maintenance, really. This week I'm going to talk about, all of the things that I can do to help you keep that website running flawlessly and, everything that would be included. So of course, updating all of your security, making sure your plugins are up to date, backing up the site, updating dead links, and, making sure your SEO is top notch and staying on top of any bugs that might pop up. So you've already put a ton of time, energy, money into your website. Believe me, spending just a little bit more on monthly maintenance is money worth spent. No frantic emails. Everything will be good. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear them. Reach out at any time. Always happy to help. I hope you guys are doing well. Talk soon. Bye-bye.